Hello, Scribblers. I'm Katie, founder and CEO of the Scribblers Den, and I'm here with a quick tutorial to help make your Google Sheet experience fantastic. The first feature I'm going to share is how to adjust the size of the Google Sheet. You'll want to go up to your taskbar and click on View. Go down to Zoom and then choose the percentage that you'd like to use. This will make the sheet easier to read and type in. Second, Google Sheets can bring up multiple documents at once, a workbook of sorts. The tabs for each separate sheet are found at the bottom. All you have to do is click on the title and that sheet will open up. You can also make a duplicate copy of any of the sheets by right-clicking on the tab and choosing Duplicate. You can also change the order of the sheets to suit your preferences. So if you wanted the character, setting, and plot to be at the end, you would just click and then drag it to where you wanted it to be. The next tip will show you how to wrap your text. By default, Excel and sheet files only allow you to see the characters that fit within each text box. This means that as you type your words, they will overflow or be hidden once you hit Tab or Enter. The templates have been set up with text wrapping as the default. This means your words will wrap around and automatically resize the cell so you can see and read all of them. Unfortunately, it's also one of the formatting options you'll frequently have to readjust. To switch between text wrapping, overflow, or clipping your text, you can either click into an individual cell, or you can click into the blank space above the number 1 and to the left of the A. Next, click the text wrapping icon in your taskbar. This will allow you to choose between overflow, wrapping, or clipping your text. And now you can see we can read all of the words that I typed into that box. When working in a Google Sheet or Excel file, you need to be more aware of when and where you're typing. If you've typed text into a cell and have already moved on to another cell, you'll need to click in the cell and make sure your cursor appears in the text. This can be done with a double click. You can see my cursor there, right after the letter P, or by clicking in the typing field at the top of your sheet. That's found right up here. If you click in it and you see your cursor moving, that means that you're ready to type. If you don't, whatever text you had in that cell might be deleted. Finally, if you're looking to print your Google Sheet, here are a few tips. When you hit print, you'll first be taken to the print settings page. On the upper right-hand side, you'll have the choice between either the current sheet or a workbook. The current sheet is only the one you're working on right now, in this case, the Brainstorming the Quick Fixes. The workbook takes you through each sheet. So here you have the instruction page. We scroll down. We've got by acts for the quick fixes, acts 1 through 4. You have by character, and then you have your miscellaneous writer's choice pages. So you'll need to decide if you're only looking for a single sheet or if you're looking for your entire workbook. You can also adjust the scale of your sheets. Underneath scale, it's usually set to fit to width. This conforms your Google Sheet to the width or length of a page. You can also change it fit to height, fit to page, or a custom number. Be aware that the larger you make the custom number on your scale, the less likely it is that all the columns will fit onto one page. But the trade-off is that it'll probably be easier to read. Once you have your settings sorted, click on Next and print as usual. These are the basics that will get you started and working confidently in Google Sheets. Happy writing, dear Scribblers!